This is for all of the Obama lovers out there. This song's for you. The hills are alive with the sound of his bullshit, with the lies we have heard many times before. His lies fill our hearts with the sound of his bullshit. My ears don't ever want to hear anymore. My hands want to beat his lying ass from his lies and treachery from the lakes to the trees. Then my heart will sigh like a chime that flies, like a song on a breeze, to laugh like a bitch when he trips and falls through each lies that he will tell. The people are so over you. We all wish you would just go to hell. Go to hell. So our hearts will be blessed with the sound of his bullshit. And he will lie once more. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, it's change you can live with. That's all.